you've been focusing a lot of your more recent time and experience on current electrical signature analysis. Maybe for the layman, could you walk us through a standard current signature analysis and what that looks like?
I actually started likening it to, if you're a vibration analyst, you take a look at the signature, stand on your head and cross your eyes, and you're looking the same thing you do in vibration. It's an amplitude modulated signal. So what you end up doing is you go in and you collect. If you are using, I have my specific equipment that I like to use, but if you're using a vibration data collector, because all of the filters, the FFT systems and everything are identical. So you go in and you are close to identical. You go in, you collect the data in current. I think CSI used to have a data collector that could do that. And then you analyze the data, except because the carrier frequency is the line frequency, you have peak pairs instead of individual peaks. And what's phenomenal about that is if I'm a vibration analyst and I go in and I have a bearing issue and I know what my multipliers are from a bearing database, so I'll pull up and say, okay, outer race is 2 point something something times per RPM or per hertz. I can take that and apply it within electrical signature analysis and do the exact same thing. Mm-hmm. This times speed is this. That's it.